Now you just arrived to Athens airport and you're wondering where to take the bus from. But oh, I'm on the wrong floor, I'm on the departures. Let's head on to the arrivals. And if you're new to this channel is all based on information and places here in Greece and wherever the journey takes us around the globe. And if you find this content interesting, then I please urge you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. So now that you have arrived here in Greece, either from B or A, it's time to see where you take the bus from, so follow me. Now the good news is that Athens airport is really small, so either exiting from A or B, all you have to do is turn right and look for the signs over here, indicating where the buses are. And as soon as you see them, just walk out the exit here and head to the buses. So there's a total of 4 public buses from Athens airport to the city. These buses are X93, X95, X96, and X97. As soon as you exit gate number 5, you'll start from the left. You'll find the first stop, which is X96. This bus takes you from Athens airport to the Piraeus port, and it's a total of 41 stops, and it takes roughly 1.5 hours from the airport over here to reach the Piraeus port. Now, if your final destination is the bus terminal Ktel Kifissou, then X93 is your bus, making it a total of 10 stops to reach your final destination and a total route of 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now, if your final destination is Syntagma, then, like most of the people over here, then X95 is your bus, making it a total of 10 stops to reach your final destination and around 1 hour 15 minutes to get there. So the fourth and last bus over here from the Athens airport is the X97 bus, which takes you to the metro in Elliniko. It takes about 1 hour to get there from over here, a total of 19 stops. Now at this point, it's also worth mentioning, if you want to figure out how to use the bus over here in Athens overall, all you have to do is click at this video over here, and that video will help you even better on how to use the bus here in Athens. Now, if you guys want to refresh in your memory a little bit, these are the total 4 buses here from the Athens airport. And now it's time to see where you purchase your tickets for these buses. Now, tickets can be purchased at this ticket booth over here using either cash or credit card. The price for the ticket is €5.50 for one way, and it's valid for a total of 90 minutes. But if for some reason there's a queue at the ticket booth, then you can use the automated ticket machines over here, and let's see how you use them. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the language of interest. Let's say we're going to choose English because the video is in English, obviously. You press English. So you want to, here you have various information. The first thing you're going to do is select buy travel product. You're going to select the Airport Express bus. And as you can see, it only has one option for 90 minutes. And the price is €5.50. That's if you're getting one ticket. If you're 2 people, then here you increase the quantity, etc. Let's say we're 1 person, and you can pay either cash or using your credit card, even at this ticket machine over here. In these screens over here at the bus stops, you can see information about what time the buses are departing from the airport. And it's worth mentioning also that these buses, they're available for 24 hours, which is very good. But if for some reason you don't like the bus, then you can just take the metro. All you have to do from over there is cross the street and head this way that we're heading to go to the metro. So let's see where the metro is. So to head to the metro, you're going to need to head over to the departure floor, which is upstairs. Don't worry, you're not going to get lost. Just look at the hotel over here, the Sofitel Hotel. So you're walking in the correct direction. Escalators are awesome. So here you are, everyone, on the top floor. So this here is where you take the metro or the suburban train from. You can take the blue line all the way to Δημοτικό Θέατρο, or you can take the suburban line to Piraea or Lyosia. Now there's 2 things worth mentioning about the metro versus the bus. The bus, we said, is €5.50. The metro ticket is €9 from the airport to get to the city. And also, not only that, not only does it not run for 24 hours, but the last metro train from the airport to Athens leaves at 11:34 p.m. So if your flight arrives after midnight, let's say for example, then unfortunately or fortunately, the bus is your only solution. So I hope you found this video helpful today, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you did, hit the like button, etc. And hopefully you guys enjoy this content, if you want to learn more about Greece and wherever the globe takes us, but mostly Greece, then all you have to do is hit this button over here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care.